For all the details on what happened to me regarding my injury, we're pushing 100 hours plus video now. YouTube channel My Medical Nightmare. Fall 2025, and Trussville, Alabama based newspaper, the Trussville Tribune, has once again partnered with negligent orthopedic practice and doctors, OrthoAlabama Spine Sports. This time OrthoAlabama is sponsoring a new feature with the Tribune, and this is the Player of the Week, which highlights local sports participants. I just wanted to do this video and again make the statement, shame on Trussville and shame on the Trussville Tribune for acknowledging and working with these doctors and giving them a platform to promote their shoddy business. OrthoAlabama makes your newspaper look bad. I was a patient with OrthoAlabama and Dr. Perry L. Savage Sr. in 2019. A $300 cash payment visit. 6 inches diameter infection visible in my head imagery. I gave Savage a disc with CT scans, x-rays, and MRIs. I believe I did not receive adequate service for my $300 and find it rather baffling how an orthopedic doctor of Savage Sr.'s experience could have missed this injury. Yeah, actually Savage did one worse because we were both in the examination room looking at the same CT and MRI pictures. I knew what I was looking at. I pointed to the area of infection and broken bone, and Savage then and there told me that my skull and neck looked normal. He denied the presence of injuries in these pictures. You can see the imagery from these in my videos. The injury that 50-year experienced orthopedic surgeon Dr. Savage was unable to explain is circled in yellow. A cracked bone in the basilar area of my skull, clearly visible in the CT images. Had a CSF leak. The area below my skull where the CSF fluid had leaked into became an infected and putrefied mass over the course of many months where the wound had gone unacknowledged and untreated. I'll play my recorded telephone call to OrthoAlabama from a few years ago.
Thank you for calling OrthoAlabama. How can I direct your call?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to reach Orlean Bruce.
Okay. She is currently out of her office. Would you like to leave her a voicemail?
Yeah, she just called me about a minute or two ago.
Oh, she did? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll try her. What's your name?
Well, wait a minute. I thought she was out of her office. Is she back in her office now?
Well, it's a little early, but she could have
Early for what?
been back by now.
Yeah, you said it was a little bit early for
back
what?
from her lunch break.
Okay, can you tell me what you do at OrthoAlabama Spine Sports?
I'm the office manager.
Okay, yeah. So I had an issue with one of my visits.
Okay, you want to tell me about it?
Yeah, I sure do.
Okay.
This was on September 4th, 2019. So I came in. Yeah, I came in. I had an appointment. Waited about 2 hours before I saw this doctor. Yeah, and I had an appointment at 3 o'clock. Waited 2 hours after my appointment. So I didn't leave this place until probably like 6 o'clock in the evening. But yeah, anyways, I saw Dr. Perry L. Savage Sr. And I came in, I was complaining about major neck pain, okay? So I saw this doctor, and this man, he graduated 1968 Alabama School of Medicine. He's been a doctor, orthopedic doctor, for 50 years, okay? So he's probably seen about every injury that's possible. That's my guess. So, okay, I went in, I brought in CT images, MRI pictures, and x-rays. And I showed this man MRI and CT images that showed that I had a broken skull. I had broken the underside of my skull in the area of the occipital condyle and condylar canal. Possibly foramen magnum was also fractured or broken. And by the time I got into his office, also this area had become infected over the course of about a year where it had gone unmanaged. And yeah, in the MRI pictures, you can see infection that goes out about 6 inches in diameter. It's in my jaw, my upper neck, below this injury. So anyways, yeah, I showed these images with injuries to this very experienced doctor, Perry L. Savage Sr., and he told me with a straight face when I was pointing out these injuries in these pictures that I had no injuries in my MRIs and CTs. And he even wrote this in his records that he had looked at the CT that I had done at Ascension St. Vincent's East Hospital. It's right down the road from you guys. So yeah, I wanted to try to get in touch with Dr. Perry L. Savage. Paid $300 for this visit, and I feel that I didn't get adequate services for my money that I paid. Wondering if he would like a chance to correct this error, because he misdiagnosed me.
I'm sure he gave you his opinion.
He gave me the wrong opinion, ma'am. It's incorrect. I have injuries here. This doctor's job and what I paid him to do was to diagnose this injury. He did not do that.
Well, I will be happy to relay your concern with him. Okay, you're certainly entitled to your opinion.
I certainly am. And I'm not happy about what happened to me either, ma'am.
I will be happy to let Dr. Savage know.
Yeah, please do that. Okay. So he'll call me back when?
Sir, I don't know. I don't have his schedule in front of me. I don't. He's in clinic all day today. I can't give you a time.
Okay. Yeah, this is a very serious matter. What happened to me should concern you as well. You should be in the business of helping people with injuries.
We do help people with injuries.
Yeah, who?
Who?
Because you didn't help me.
I will be happy to relay this conversation to Dr. Savage.
Yes, please do, ma'am. And I'll wait that call from him.
Thank you for your call.
Thank you.